So you want to buy Solana at 850, okay, buy at the green, sell at the red, but when you try, this is all you get, a crazy blip of a red line and some free blue dots, and the only way that you can be saved is by using this one, Chat GPT, how to make money. Okay, there are many ways to make money, by the way. Working a job and getting paid for your time and expertise is one of them. Starting a business or selling product or services, invest in stocks, real estate, other assets, participate in the gig economy, saving money and budgeting effectively. What specific method do you want? Making money with TradingView using your own indicators. This is what we're doing today. So many people ask me, how do I put all those indicators, the Z-score, the fear and greed, so you can just buy Solana at $8.50 and 3 days later you are up like 50-60%. And if you're doing this on leverage, then you can just pay off your mortgage. Not a financial advice. You can also lose everything and can go to zero. So let's get started. I will link both of the indicators script below, and you can watch my other videos where I talk about the Z-score and the fear and greed and all that good stuff. How do you do that? How do you get to this beautiful thing so you can just see a nice green pop-up and you just go long, and whenever that you see either red or when it touches the red, you close the trade? Basically, if you just do nothing and just follow the pop-ups, you close the trade at 12 bucks, even though Solana is now 12.84, and that's all. That's all you have to do. And if someone can basically back test this beautiful two indicators that we have, this would be great. Okay, let's get started. First things first, you need a TradingView account Pro Plus. This is a paid level, but you have 30 days trial. Link will be in the description. Okay, why do you need it? Because in the free trial, I think you can only put one indicator and you can only trade the daily chart and you cannot add like 50,000 coins. I don't know, something like that. If you want to make money, you gotta invest a little. Don't be, I don't know, if you can't, that's okay. But I'm just telling you what it is. Anyway, you start by adding the first indicator. You gotta do it step by step. Okay, let's start with step one. Make sure I am recording. Okay, step one. Let's move this here. Step two. You're gonna take one indicator only. Okay, you're gonna take just one. Let's start. Let's say you, from the two indicators on the description, take the Z-score, for example. Okay, and go here. Click on this one. Maximize panel. Okay, make sure you are on Pine Editor. Okay, make sure you're on Pine Editor. Maximize all that stuff. Copy and paste the Z-score indicator, just one. Don't do both of them, you'll get tons of errors. Okay, you got the Z-score indicator, and basically you click add to chart. That's it. You just click add to chart, and then you see something like this. This is a clear completely new chart that I've done for this specific video. Okay, and it will show up in here. Okay, we haven't done anything, we just added the Z-score. Now go back to the description of this video and take the fear and greed index and do the same thing. Go to here, maximize, copy paste on the Pine Editor, and then add to chart as well, and you will have the fear and greed in here and the Z-score in here. Let's start with the Z-score. So far you have two indicators. They're looking like this fresh new chart, and let's do it on I don't know, Bitcoin. Okay, let's do it on Bitcoin, and just so you can understand a little better. We can check Solana a little later, but Solana was a great win. Hope you done it. But now you will have two indicators. I haven't backtest, as I said. I need someone to run backtest for like a year on the daily chart, or like, I don't know, a couple of months on the hourly or something like that, or 15 minutes, and let me know how it works and the results. Okay, so Can we make money with this? Consider seeking advice of a financial advisor or professional trader. Who is a professional trader? I don't know. Stay up to date with the market, develop trading strategy, combination, that's the key, is use a combination of technical and fundamental analysis to make more informed trade. Technical analysis involves looking at chart pattern trends. Test your strategy with historical data before implementing it with real money. This can help fine-tune your strategy. That's exactly what we are doing. So, we're going to go back to our nice Z-score. You're going to double tap that. Double click on the Z-score. And then you're going to change, because we're doing either the 1 hour or the 15 minutes. Okay, I'm changing the settings. And again, it's not ideal, it's not optimized, but it's a good starting point to have 2 indicators that ChatGPT gave us that so far seems good. I just need to know how to backtest. Okay, so I'm putting the length at 168. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to style. This is very important. We got the input 168. In style, I'm gonna change the second one to this one, to white. Make this bold. Make this the fourth one, and this is the zero line. Okay, the second one is the zero line. I'm gonna change those two. First of all, I'm gonna make the color a little better. The color is fine. This is red, this is green. Okay, and I'm gonna change when you get a signal to sell, okay, or to close your trade as an exit indicator. You just, this stays top, and when you get a signal to buy, you change the top to bottom. Okay, so far so good. And I also like to change this to a square, and this one I also change to a square. That's it. And the color of the Z-score, I like to make it yellow. Just no reason, I just like to make it yellow. You can change to whatever that you want. Okay, this is all good. Click okay. And this is the Z-score, but it's not on the chart. So what do? You just copy and paste, or just grab with your mouse the Z-score, and there you go. Voila, it's on the chart. And now the Z-score will tell us to short Bitcoin at 16,730, and it's going down, and you see it's pretty good. Okay, but that's only one. I want another, let's say confirmation indicator 1. I want the second one, which is the fear and greed index. So same thing, we're gonna double tap that one. We're gonna put the input. The fear and greed index is 50. Okay, we're gonna probably need to play with the settings, but from this other chart, if I check here the settings that I have, basically I put I changed to 168. Okay, good to know. So I changed to 168. Interesting. Okay, so let's change to 168 yet again. Good to know. Okay, and in the visibility you do nothing, and in the style basically you just change. So the bearish threshold, let's see the colors that we've done in here. I don't remember. Okay, yellow, red, and green. So let's go back. So we're gonna do yellow right here and make this bold and change this to here. There you go. This one change to red, right? Red or green? Red and green. So the second one will be red, and change this to make it bolder. And this one change it to green, and change this to super bold. And voila. Now this one also 168. Again, we have to backtest. Click OK, and it will be in here. And the same thing, drag and drop, and voila, we got ourselves a nice little 2 indicators based on ChatGPT on TradingView. How crazy is that? And let's see if what we got. The last trade, this is on the 15 minutes. It's not completely accurate, but it's better than nothing. So let's see Bitcoin. It told us to go short. You see the Z-score went above 3. It gives us a trade when the Z-score is above 3 or below 3, below -3. So now it gave us a signal right here to go short, and it also touches the red line, 16,750, 16,725, something like that, 16,740. Okay, so 16,740, you short, beautiful trade. You closed maybe half at the zero line, and now we are here waiting for a green bubble. We're gonna wait for a green bubble because we got the grid indicator, fear and greed indicator telling us to go long, but we're not going long until we get another green bubble that looks probably like this. Okay, probably like this. And yeah, this was another great win. Take this trade and go back to break even. Eventually you can sell half in here and sell the other half in here. Oh, that's it. That's pretty awesome stuff. This is just on Bitcoin. You can do this on Forex, on stocks, on crypto. I haven't done back testing. That's the key. This is what I have for you guys. All the link will be in the description below, including a way to join the mailing list and get emails from me on a daily basis so we can stay in touch. If you want to, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.